Mr. Speaker, the major challenges under the manual business model: one, manual loan application process resulting to lengthy approval process of 45 days for a loan to be approved, lengthy loan tenure, thus inhibiting the fund from revolving the funds many times. And going straight to the question, Mr. Speaker, the digitization of the fund product is premised on the government call to ensure all government services are available online. The fund undertook capacity building in various counties and engaged stakeholders through media, Huduma Mashinani, chief barazas, county sensitization forums, and robust social media engagements. The fund has also facilitated public engagement in various regions as enlisted below. This is Mombasa, Baringo, Kajiado, Machakos, Nairobi, Kisumu, Kiambu, Siaya, and Bomet. So the fund undertook a 3-month pilot phase 1 in July 2023 to 30th September 2023. During this period, Kenya shillings 941,901,505 was distributed to 18,955 women groups. Out of the disbursed amount, we have collected Kenya shillings 257,464,445. This translates to repayment of rate of 27%, which accumulatively savings of Kenya shillings 47,095,075. From the pilot phase, the fund has reviewed the lending business rules to allow flexibility in loan limits, repayment period, and onboarding of the borrowers with good repayment history under the old manual system. We project to disburse 4.1 billion in 2022 and 2023-2024 financial year, Mr. Speaker. And the other question? Honorable Member and Mr. Speaker, the second question: since inception of NGAF in no, it's not the one. This is where. What is the question? Okay. So, yeah, she has asked all of them. Mr. Speaker, she has asked all of them, all the questions, the two on WEF. Yeah, so I'm answering there. This is the third one. Where's the second one? Yeah, so I'm doing the last one. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Honorable Speaker, Honorable Member, WEF has a unique proposition since its target 100% women constituted groups. These are the affirmative action groups. Besides having an existing client database ready for onboarding, the fund also offers a competitive interest rate of 6% per annum on a reducing balance compared to Hustler Fund rate of 8% per annum on a reducing balance. However, the fund is in process of undertaking a survey to determine the effect of Hustler Fund on WEF operations. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Wangari. If you are satisfied, you don't have to ask any supplementary. Give Wangari the mic.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I will clarify some very few issues. Number one, initially, WEF didn't have an interest. And now the introduction of 6%, what has that done to the loan recovery? Considering, like in my constituency, Mr. Speaker, it was 98% countrywide. What is the recovery rate? Second, the existing customers, some were able to get 750,000, having grown through the model, yet they have to revert back to 50,000. What are you going to do with the existing customers that have grown their credit worthiness? And finally, Mr. Speaker, when will the lending resume? Will it be manual or digital? And can the CS confirm if the digital platform or WEF can be able to offer LPO finance